Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. Today, we have a special surprise soon. Well, multiple people are going another one vlog here. Hope you enjoy it. I can't tell you who we are until I reach them and I see who me attack. You see me? Remember, Elevate, the song that out right now. It probably start that vlog here, but make sure you check it out. It's on YouTube, might reach all of the music platforms this week. So, I will go and promote it. You see me? So far, I get good feedback from the whole song. I'm still try to shoot the video this week. You see me? So, you can definitely look out for that too. But I'm gonna start my day. Day just like I'm gonna start my day, and then we see the preview today. But we have a special guest. Well, heap of people in another vlog, yeah? So hopefully you know watch it. I don't think it will go long neither. Probably do it quick and spicy, the whole vlog, yeah. But stay tuned, special surprise soon. So vlogger, I'm mad thing. We're starting vlog like this. Right now, we're there over Valdo and DLM. We can pull up on them, you see me? The dog first time I'm firing. Yeah, they put the vlog, me boss. The dog first time I'm firing, you see it, I officially I meet, you know, you see me?
Foreign, you know, I'm foreign, I go all that vibe.
You see it?
A couple places, I don't know how much to look up some show last night.
Mm.
I'm mad, son. Yeah, you know.
Oh, you like it so far?
You told me no.
Like, oh yeah, why?
No, oh, you like foreign so far, that me fi say. How would that, do you know?
Did you get taller too?
Midget deli there, so.
You got veneers?
Yeah, everybody taller than me, dog. Bumbo clot, watch out.
Everybody's
Everybody
taller
taller than me.
Shut up.
Bumbo clot, you know, open on me, G.
No, me I must have want to see you, man.
The man, them they are foreign, you know. Yeah, me taller than him. Me taller than
It
him.
smells like straight up weed.
Oh, you can't. Me a vlog.
And I broke
you
my
know me
nail.
not
I
smoke.
broke my nail.
First day we meet him to you, we didn't give me a first day we
serious?
meet.
I
Yeah.
think you smoke, you never smoke?
Because
I'm
he
not
likes to
trying
smoke.
to bro. I say,
You have alcohol?
I'll try my own
I mean,
thing.
Just weed. We so forward back. So vlogger, right now I have to make a quick run, come home, come grab my microphone. Deal, I gotta do an interview with Dino, you see me? But I made a try look mic and can't get no mic. So I just reach home. My girlfriend, me I tell her move her car, she vex. She vex with me, I try to catch her. But well I give no, me I tell no what I go on. But me run come home now for come get the mic, and my girlfriend just reach home from work, so a perfect time. You see me, I go back over Dino them, because I have a little concept of more mash up. I think I go put this on YouTube, or I just do it for Instagram. I think if I do it for YouTube, it go further than Instagram. I probably do it on YouTube, but you know I gonna know if I do it, you see me? But I'm gonna go in the house real quick. Good. We just done shell of food there. Sorry, mega belt. What kind of belt, son?
I don't know.
What's happening? So right now, I get the mic. I'm gonna link deal. So I left the crib right now. Alright, later. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
So deal there. Girl is there. Yo. I sign dog, I swear.
No, what she really want me to take a
So,
what could I possibly take a
so we there. We just a chill for today. We don't think no video I go shoot.
Fight me.
Podcast I go on. Deal right now I go video.
Your man buys for family, you know. You know what I mean, you know?
Yeah.
Got me to tell you, no.
Big argument this a go.
He gonna have to fight me.
You want to show them on the chin?
You know.
Yo, no lie. Me never did believe say did I go away, but it look better. It look
First time I
good.
know this beard when somebody else with me and I
So
really
then I have a question. I have a question. Shout out
Yeah.
everybody. Hey.
Yeah.
So
Shout out to YouTube first. Hold on.
follow Deli Fever TV.
Yeah. Alright, go on. Yeah.
So,
Tell her
since I
stop
have a
chatting
beard,
for
right?
you.
So any man that was interested in me, doesn't that like
Someone. sour.
So whatever.
Really sour.
If you have beard and
So like
If you have beard, what that mean? What it mean? What that try to say? We not get we are.
Look Delhi. Shut your old fire. Look Delhi.
no.
Hey, remember
Who
Delhi
that
married?
Delhi?
Remember Delhi married, you know?
Oh yeah. Family, you know. Communion.
But hold on, Delhi. Who give you authority if you talk on healthy relationship?
Because I have the healthiest relationship in here.
First of all, I'm telling you to stop.
We are right me in a relationship too. What do you mean
My
by
relationship is
You know,
way
see,
healthier than yours. Delhi.
So
So
you're
I'm married and got a whole baby, and me and my nigga live together.
Delhi, I got shame, you know. You can stop, you know. Hey.
No, I don't.
Me don't know. Hey.
My nigga is not like that.
Yo, me not tell you.
Chamba no like that. Me have
My
vote
nigga
to
is not
Chamba.
like that.
Chamba faithful. Me have vote to Chamba.
My nigga is faithful.
Chamba.
Down to the bone.
No, man, it look like I'm gonna do it now, but it
Pause
feel
it,
like
pause
you're
it,
eating.
pause it.
Yeah, man, I'm mad thing. We're gonna take a shot right now.
Pour on.
Come ready?
Pass it.
One of them, I think one of them are fair. No, one of them.
Ready?
Let's cheers to all of you guys having babies this year.
Oh, you know something?
She knows.
She probably knows something.
I just want to say it's really nice looking at something that you
I
created.
dare you to breathe again.
It's really nice looking at something that you created. Wow.
Breathe again.
She probably is. She probably is, you know.
Breathe right now.
She probably is.
Right now.
She probably is.
Come on, you're influencing
Have you
your body.
No.
Have you?
You want somebody to join up?
She probably is, man.
Crazy.
Take your sleep, man.
Alright.
Okay.
Amen.
Yeah.
That's how you go? Amen.
Amen. Cheers to life.
More life, more blessings, more money, more
Money, riches, and wealth.
Nobody now.
So they're about to leave.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
We'll link up back tomorrow
Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
and do some content.
You know the
So
vibe.
today we just a vlog.
You know the vibe.
In tomorrow, you know.
They will link up.
The dog got sick on him first day of foreign. The dog got sick.
Yeah, man, I'll link up tomorrow.
Alright. So vlogger, here we going. So right now, what we did plan for do not really follow through, but change our plan. I'm gonna do my part two with Dale on Bossier's podcast. So now go check out our next part. Uno been asked our next part of the podcast so we did do. We're gonna do part 2 tonight. Tomorrow we should have do it actually, but things switch on, so we're gonna do it tonight. We're gonna set up the place right now and start it. Yeah, Dale over there, so just care up some of the things them. And we're gonna do it for the vlog. The man dropped the microphone a while ago, so right now vlog world we here. Bossier's podcast.
Yo, we're there for the part 2, you know.
Yeah.
Part few, sorry.
You
That's
see
not
me?
Jamaican.
The one you're going to run and cut, you're going to talk about life, relationship, semen retention. Girl, is in a million too.
They're the staff.
Yeah. Oh, my look, we have the lovely ladies here.
They're from
Wanna go
all
and see
over.
them?
These girls have 10 nationalities, don't worry.
We're going to see them in our project real soon, you see me? But we're there, we're going to do a podcast right now. So go and do it for the vlog.
Yo, all the levels them look.
So vlogger, right now we're not done the podcast, we're doing it tomorrow. Yeah, the camera keep on a shut off, but a jar works, you see me?
Yeah.
Right now, girl's birthday tomorrow.
Tomorrow, you know, man.
Isn't it?
Just
So-
it's a madness.
Right now, he dog go to the movies and we're gonna go cause his birthday tomorrow.
Yeah.
So
And
we're gonna catch a
tomorrow-
vibe.
Yeah, you see me? And then tomorrow, we have a big vibes, cook out our house and then...
We'll have vibe
You
again
see me?
and
Yeah.
shoot some video. Deal. So we are left deal right now. Cause we are going movies.
We are going movies.
For girl's birthday.
We not come on the movies, but tomorrow for girl's
Yeah,
birthday.
I'm a retain.
Yo, my retain.
So yeah man, go on, holy free.
What a wife.
Indian. Arsenal win the league. Yeah the man. Yeah the man. A man thing.